The Trifecta ALX is a soft folding truck bed cover and it's Extang's newest product. This cover packs the same great features as Extang's best-selling trifold cover, the Trifecta 2.0, but now with a rotary release latching system and an automatic latching feature. To unlock, simply rotate the release knob located at the driver's side rear, then lift and fold the cover towards the cab. This release knob is easy to use and provides unmatched convenience of operation. It can all be done with one hand in one motion. Another impressive feature of the Trifecta ALX is the auto latching component. This trifold cover automatically secures in place when it makes contact with the bed, allowing you to quickly close and latch this cover without the aggravation of tailgate clamps. The newly redesigned frame, hinges, and corners provide more structural strength, and the frame is made of a lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum. The new Max hinges are rugged and have a double pivot design, and Extang's exclusive snap-on seals eliminate adhesive and remain in place for ultimate weather protection. The Trifecta ALX is topped with an all-new Ancana pebble-grained fabric to preserve your truck bed from water, dirt, and dust. It's also fade-resistant with excellent tension. Best of all, installation is a breeze. It comes fully assembled, so all you need to do is square up the cover to your truck and tighten the two cab clamps to the bed wall. No rails to fuss with and no special tools needed. The Trifecta ALX from Extang is backed with a maximum strength lifetime warranty.